Hey guys, we're hanging with my new friends. There they are. There's Smokey and there's Bandit. They are learning how to be wild. There they are, Smokey and Bandit. All right, don't get too crazy. There's Mr. Sniffles. There you go. Yep, there they are, Smokey and Bandit. This is Smokey right here. It's Smokey. Right there's Smokey. Yeah, there's Smokey and there's Bandit right there. They're learning how to be wild. There they are. That's Smokey and Bandit. They're just hanging out here in the woods. They're going up on the wood piles. And here's Bandit. Smelling my leg. Yes, hi Bandit. I'm not going to pet you though. There's the other one. So, just an update. Thanks guys.